Hello. My name is Anna. Today I want to talk about my family. I live with my family in a small apartment. We are 5 people. My mom, my dad, my brother, my sister, and me. We also have a dog. His name is Max. My mom's name is Maria. She is 45 years old. She is a nurse. She works at a hospital. She helps sick people. She wears a white uniform. She works during the day and comes home in the evening. My mom cooks dinner and helps me with school. She is kind and smart. My dad's name is John. He is 47 years old. He is a taxi driver. He drives a yellow car. He works many hours every day. He drives people to the airport, to work, and to the store. He likes to talk to people. He tells funny stories. I laugh when he talks at dinner. My brother's name is Peter. He is 25 years old. He works in a bank. He wears a suit and tie. He is quiet but very nice. He likes numbers and math. He works from Monday to Friday. He sometimes helps me with my homework. He buys ice cream for us on Sundays. My sister's name is Julia. She is 15 years old. She goes to high school. She loves music and dancing. She listens to music every day. She sings in her room and sometimes dances in the living room. We dance together on weekends. She makes me laugh. Our dog Max is part of the family. He is big and brown. He likes to run, eat, and sleep. Every morning, my dad walks Max in the park. Max is friendly. He loves to play with a ball. We give him food and water. At night, he sleeps in the living room. On weekdays, we are all busy. My mom and dad go to work. My brother goes to the bank. My sister and I go to school. But at night, we eat together. We sit at the table. We eat rice, beans, and meat. We talk about our day. Sometimes we watch TV after dinner. On weekends, we clean the house. We wash clothes, clean the kitchen, and organize the rooms. Then we rest. On Saturday afternoon, we go to the park or visit my grandma. My grandma lives near us. She is old but strong. She makes delicious soup and cookies. On Sunday, we stay home. We cook a big lunch and eat together. In the evening, we watch a movie. My mom makes popcorn. We sit on the sofa and enjoy the time. I love these moments. I love my family very much. We help each other. We talk, we laugh, and we care. We are not rich, but we are happy. Thank you for listening to my story about my family.